Dear students, welcome back to the class. Today we are going to discuss the most important previous year's short answer type question from the chapter Quadratic Equations. So last session we have discussed the multiple choice questions and assertion reason type question. So let's start. Our first question of today's session is find the sum and product of the roots of the quadratic equation 2x square minus 9x plus 4 is equal to 0. So here we have to find the sum of the roots and product of the roots. So in the polynomial chapter, you have studied how to find the sum of the zeros and product of the zeros. So here sum of the zeros is equal to, or sum of the roots is equal to, sum of the roots that is equal to minus b by a, and product of the roots is equal to, and product of the roots is equal to, product of the roots is equal to c by a. Product of the roots is equal to c by a. Now, how can we find the value of a, b, c? So, for that one, this given equation we can compare with our general form of the quadratic equation. What is general form? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. When you compare these two equations, you will get that a is equal to 2, positive b is equal to negative 9. So that means b is equal to negative 9, c is equal to positive 4. Now we can find the value of the sum of the root, that is equal to minus b by a. So b is negative 9 minus of minus 9 divided by 2, that is equal to 9 by 2. So sum of the root is equal to 9 by 2. Now product of the root c is 4, which is equal to 4 divided by 2, that is equal to 2. So here we got sum of the root is equal to 9 by 2 and product of the roots is equal to 2. Hope all of you understood. Now we can move to the second question. Our next question will be find the discriminant of the quadratic equation 4x square minus 5 is equal to 4x square minus 5 is equal to 0, and hence comment on the nature of roots of the equation. So when we have discussed the multiple choice question, we have discussed the detailed cases when b square minus 4ac less than 0, then the nature of the roots is no real roots. Then b square minus 4ac equal to 0, 2 equal real root, then b square minus 4ac greater than 0, 2 distinct real root. So then second and third one we can combine and we can make one more condition when b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0, it's just a real root. So it can be equal also, distinct also. Now we can find the discriminant of this quadratic equation. So here a is equal to 4 and b is x term, linear term is missing. Therefore b is equal to 0 and c is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to minus 5. Therefore b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac is 0 square minus 4 into a is 4 into minus 5. So that is equal to 0 square is 0, then negative into negative become positive, 16 5s are 80. So here answer is discriminant is a positive 80. So here we can write that b square minus 4ac greater than 0. Therefore 2 distinct real root. Therefore 2 distinct real root. 2 distinct real roots, you will get it. Hope all of you understood this question. Now we can move to the next question. Our next question will be a natural number when increased by 12 equals 160 times the reciprocal. Then find the number. We have to find the number. A natural number when increased by 12 equals 160 times its reciprocal. So we can consider our number as x. Let the number be x. Let the number be x. Let the natural number be x. Now, when the number increased by 12, so which means x become x plus 12, that is equal to 160 times its reciprocal. That is equal to 160 into reciprocal of this number is 1 by x. Hope all of you understood how we have taken when the natural number increased by 12. So x plus 12 is equal to 160 times its reciprocal. Now x plus 12 is equal to 160 divided by x. Cross multiply x into x. X into x plus 12 is equal to 160. Now x into x become x square plus 12x and 160 we can take it minus 160 is equal to 0. Now this equation we can solve it by quadratic formula or factorization method. So here, when we consider this quadratic equation, sum is equal to minus positive 12 and product is equal to minus 160. Don't think that sum of the root and product. So here, for factorization, for splitting the middle term method, we need two numbers. For finding the two numbers, we are taking the sum as positive 12 and product is minus 160. So here, what are the numbers? Sum is positive 12, product is minus 160. Our numbers are positive 20 and negative 8. Positive 20 and negative 8. So here, now using these two number, we can split the middle term. X square plus 20x minus 8x minus 160 is equal to 0. Minus 160 is equal to 0. From the first two term, I can take x common out. X into x plus 20 minus 8 I can take common. X plus 20 is equal to 0. X plus 20 is equal to 0. Now, x plus 20 we can take common out. X plus 20 into x minus 8 is equal to 0. Now, product of two number is 0, which means either x plus 20 is equal to 0 or x minus 8 is equal to 0 or x minus 8 is equal to 0. That means x is equal to negative 20 or x is equal to positive 8. X is equal to negative 20 is not possible. X is equal to negative. What is the reason? X is equal to negative 20 is not possible. Why? Because x is a natural number. It is not possible. It is not possible. It is not possible. Then, therefore, our required number is x is equal to 8. Therefore, our required number is. Therefore, our required number is. Therefore, our required number is. Therefore, our required number is 8. Hope all of you understood this question. Therefore, our required number is 8. Now we can move to the next question. Our next question will be, if one root of the quadratic equation x square plus 12x minus k is equal to 0 is thrice the other root, then find the value of k. So here they have given a quadratic equation x square plus 12x minus kx is minus k is equal to 0. Then one root is thrice the other, then we have to find the value of. So here we can consider one root is alpha, then the other root will be 3 alpha. So here you can take that the roots are, therefore the roots are alpha and 3 alpha. Hope all of you understood how we are getting 3 alpha, because it's clearly given one root is thrice the other. Now, when we compare this equation with the general form ax square plus bx plus c, now we can find the sum of the root, which is equal to alpha plus 3 alpha. Alpha plus 3 alpha. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. That is equal to minus of 12 divided by 1. So here minus 12 divided by 1. So the 4 alpha is equal to minus 12. 4 alpha is equal to minus 12. Alpha is equal to minus 12 divided by 4. Alpha is equal to minus 3. If alpha minus 3, then therefore 3 alpha is equal to negative 9. So here we got the roots are minus 3 and minus 9 are the roots. Now we can find the product of the roots. Using the product condition, we can find the value. So what is the product? Alpha into 3 alpha is equal to alpha beta is equal to c by a. That is equal to minus k divided by 1. C value is minus k and a value is 1. So alpha is minus 3. Alpha is minus 3. Then 3 alpha is minus 9 is equal to minus k. K and minus getting cancelled. Therefore, k is equal to negative 27. K is equal to negative 27 is our value of k. Hope all of you understood. Then we can move to the next question. Our next question will be, solve 1 by x minus 1 by x minus 2 is equal to 3. So we need to solve this one, these kind of question. So take the LCM. So here what is LCM? X into x minus 2, x into x minus 2. Then after that, how can we, when you compare the first denominator and this LCM, here already x is there, then x minus 2 is there, x minus 2 is missing. So x minus, the missing term into numerator, 1 into x minus 2. 1 into x minus 2. Hope all of you understood how we are getting x minus 2. I'm comparing these two denominators. So x into x minus 2 is our LCM, common denominator. Then when you compare these two denominator, x is there, x minus 2 is not there. So that missing term into numerator minus. When you compare this one, x minus 2 is there, x is missing, 1 into x is equal to 3. 1 into x is equal to 3. No need to write 1. Just for understanding, I'm writing now. We can write x minus 2 minus x divided by x square minus 2x is equal to 3. Then x getting cancelled. Now we will get it minus 2 divided by x square minus 2x is equal to 3. Now we can cross multiply. Minus 2 is equal to 3 into x square minus 2x. X square minus 2x. Now we can open the bracket. That is equal to minus 2 is equal to 3x square minus 6x. 3x square minus 6x. Now minus 2 when we take into the right side, and finally we get a quadratic equation. So when we take minus 2 into right side, we will get 0 is equal to. So a 0 is equal to a, which means I can write a is equal to 0 also. So finally we will get 3x square minus 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. Plus 2 is equal to 0. Now we need to solve this quadratic equation. So here product is 6, sum is negative 6. Such numbers we are not getting. So we can check the nature of the roots using the b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 6 square minus 4 into 3 into 2. So what you will get it here? Minus 6 square. Minus 6 square will be 36. Then 4 3s are 12. 12 into 2, 24. So here minus 24, which is equal to 12, which is greater than 0. Two distinct real roots will be there. Two distinct real roots will be there. So greater than 0. Two distinct real roots will be there. Now what is the formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a divided by 2a. Now we can substitute the value. X is equal to x is minus b. What is the value of b? B will be minus 6. So b is minus 6. Minus of minus 6 plus or minus root 12 divided by 2 into a will be 3. So here minus of minus 6 become positive. 6 plus or minus 12 divided by 6. So here we will get x is equal to 6 plus or minus root 12 divided by 6. Now x is equal to, I can take 2 common out. Is it possible 2 common? Yes, we can take it 2 common out. Then how? 6 plus or minus 12, how can we write it? That will become 2 root 3 divided by 6. Okay, now we can take 2 common out. X is equal to, when I take 2 common out, it will become 3 plus root 3 plus or minus root 3 divided by 6. 2 and 6 cancel. You will get it 3. Now we can split the middle term. So finally you will get x is equal to 3 plus root 3 divided by 3 and x is equal to 3 minus root 3 divided by 3. So this is the values of x. Hope all of you understood this one. Now we can move to the next question. Our next question will be solve 1 by x, 1 divided by x plus 2 divided by 2x minus 3 is equal to 1 divided by x minus 2. Here also we can take the LCM. First we can LHS, we can take the LCM. LCM will be x into 2x minus 3. X into 2x minus 3. Now what is, when you compare these the first denominator and the least common multiple, so 2x minus 3 is missing, 1 into 2x minus 3. Then when we compare 2x minus 3 denominator, this denominator and this L common multiple, then we will get my plus 2 into x plus 2 into x. How we are getting plus 2 into x? When you compare this denominator and this one, here x is missing. So missing term into the numerator, that is equal to 1 divided by x minus 2. 1 divided by x minus 2. Then that is equal to 2x minus 3 plus 2x divided by 2x square minus 3x is equal to 1 divided by x minus 2. So 2x plus 2x become 4x. 4x minus 3 divided by 4x minus 3 divided by 2x square minus 3x is equal to 1 by x minus 2. Now we can cross multiply. When we cross multiply this one, we'll get x minus 2 into 4x minus 3 is equal to 1 into 2x square minus 3x. 2x square minus 3x. Now x minus 2, we open the bracket, 4x square minus 3x minus 8x plus 6 is equal to 2x square minus 3x. 2x square minus 3x. Now we can take into the left side 4x square minus 3x minus 11x plus 6 minus 2x square plus 3x is equal to 0. Plus 3x is equal to 0. Now we can 4x square minus 2x square become 2x square. Then minus 11 plus 3, it will become minus 8x plus 6 is equal to 0. Now I can take 2 common out. X square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. X square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. So that 2 we can take into the right side. Finally, we will get x square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. This one we can split the solve it by splitting the middle term method. X square minus 3x minus 1x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now from the first two term I can take x common out. X into x minus 3 plus minus 1 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now I can take x minus 3 common out. X minus 3 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. So here we got x minus 3 into x minus 1. Now we will get x minus 3 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 3 is equal. Therefore, x minus 3 is equal to 0 or x minus 1 equal to 0. That means x is equal to 3 or x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. So, here we'll get x is equal to 3 and 3 comma 1 is our answer. X is equal to 3 comma 1 is our answer. Hope all of you understood this question. Now we can move to the next question. Our next question will be 1 divided by 1, same kind of question, but this is very, very important NCERT question. X minus 7 is equal to 11 divided by 30. 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x minus 7 is equal to 11 divided by 30. Now here we can take the LCM. X plus 4 into x minus 7. X plus 4 into x minus 7. Then when we compare this denominator, x minus 7 is not there. 1 into x minus 7 become x minus 7 minus into x plus 4. You will get x plus 4, that is equal to 11 divided by 30. That is equal to 11 by 30. Now we can open the bracket. X minus 7 minus x minus 4 divided by x square. Then minus 3x minus 28. Minus 28. Hope all of you understood now how we are getting this one. I used x plus a into x plus b identity. X plus a into x plus b. What is x plus a into x plus b? X plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So here a is positive 4, b is negative 7. A plus b become 4 plus negative 7, that is a negative 3, and 4 into minus 7 is 28. That is equal to 11 divided by 30. So here x cancel, minus 11 divided by x square minus 3x minus 28 is equal to 11 by 30. So 11 and negative 11 cancel, we'll get minus 1 there, minus 1 divided, then cross multiply. So minus 1 divided by x square minus 3x minus 28 is equal to 1 divided by 30. 1 divided by 30. Now we can cross multiply. When we cross multiply this one, minus 30 is equal to x square minus 3x minus 28. Now minus 30 we can take into the right side. Then we'll get 0 is equal to x square minus 3x minus 28 plus 30. So finally we'll get it x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0 plus minus 28 plus 30 is positive 2. Now how can we simplify this one? We can solve it by factorization method or quadratic formula. Factorization is very easy here. So here x square minus 2x minus 1x plus 2 is equal to 0. X into x minus 2 plus minus 1 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore x minus 2 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 2 is equal to 0 or x minus 1 is equal to 0. That is x is equal to 2 or x is equal to 1. So, here we got the values of x, that is x is equal to 2 comma 1. X is equal to 2 comma 1 is our answer. Hope all of you understood this question. Now we can move to the next one. Our next question will be 2x by x minus 3 plus 1 by 2x plus 3 plus 3x plus 9 divided by x minus 3 into 2x plus 3. Here we can take the LCM, but once again we can write 2x by x minus 3 plus 1 divided by 2x plus 3 plus 3x plus 9 divided by x minus 3 into 2x plus 3 into 2x plus 3 into 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now, we can take the LCM. What is LCM? X minus 3 into 2x plus 3 will be the LCM. Into 2x plus 3 will be the LCM. Now, we can compare the denominator. Here x minus 3 is there. So 2x minus the 2x plus 3 is missing. So 2x into 2x plus 3, numerator into that missing denominator. 2x into 2x plus 3. When we compare these two denominator, 2x plus 3 is there, x minus 3 is missing. So 1 into x minus 3. Now plus. Now, when we compare this, the same denominator, so only the numerator we can write it 3x plus 9, 3x plus 9, 3x plus 9, that is equal to 2x into 2x become 4x square, then plus 6x, 2x into 3 become plus 6x, plus x minus 3 plus 3x plus 9 divided by, when we open the bracket, that is here, that is equal to 0, you will get it, then x into x is 2x square, then x into 3 will be 3x plus 3x minus 6x, then minus 9 is equal to 0. 4x square, then 6x plus 1x, that is 7x, 7x plus 3x, that will be 10x, then minus 3 plus 9 become plus 6x, plus 6 is equal to divided by, plus 6 divided by 2x square plus 3x minus 6x. So here what we can do it here, 3x minus 6x become 3x minus 6x, that is minus 3x minus 9 is equal to 0. Now this term we can take into the right side, then we'll get a 0. Okay, 4x square plus 10x plus 6 is equal to 0. Plus 6 is equal to 0. Now here we can take 2 common out. If you take 2 common out, what you will get it? If you take 2 common out, 2 into 2x square plus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. Plus 3 is equal to 0. Now we can take 2 into the right side. Fine, we'll get it 2x square plus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. When we take 2 into the right side, it becomes 0 by 2, that is equal to 0. Now here product is 6. Product is equal to 6. Sum is equal to positive 5. Numbers 3 and 2. Very easy numbers, right? So that is equal to 2x square plus 2x plus 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. Then 2x into x plus 1. Then plus 3 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. From here, we'll get it x plus 1 into 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. That means x plus 1 is equal to 0, or 2x plus 3 is equal to 0, or 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. That is x is equal to negative 1, or x is equal to minus 3 by 2, or x is equal to minus 3 by 2. So our answers are x is equal to negative 1 comma minus 3 by 2. X is equal to negative 1 comma minus 3 by 2. Hope all of you understood this question. Now we can move to the next question. Our next question will be x square plus a by a plus b plus a plus b divided by a into x plus 1 is equal to 0. Into x plus 1 is equal to 0. Here we can open the bracket. X square plus ax divided by a plus b plus a plus b divided by a into x plus 1 is equal to 0. Plus 1 is equal to 0. Next, how can we take a term common out? So what I am going to take is, here I can take x common out. If I take x common, x plus a by a plus b, x by a plus b. Now from here I am going to take a plus b by a common out. A plus b by a common out. A plus b divided by a common out. Then x is remaining, but from 1 I am taking a particular term common out. So how can we find? From 1, if you are taking any term common out, you just that is 1 divided by that number, a plus b divided by a, then it become a by a plus b, then become a by a plus b. How? When we multiply inside this one, a cancel, a plus b cancel, we will get 1. Hope all of you understood. That is equal to 0. Then x by x plus a by a plus b, that we can take it common out. Then x plus a plus b divided by a is equal to 0. Now therefore x plus a by a plus b is equal to 0, or x plus a plus b by a is equal to 0. Now what is the final answer? X is equal to minus a by a plus b comma minus a of a plus b divided by a. These are the answers for this question. Hope all of you understood. Now we can move to the next question. Our next question will be, 1 divided by x minus 1 into x minus 2 plus 1 divided by x minus 2 into x minus 3, which is equal to 2 by 3. So here, while saying itself, most of them I will think that we can multiply, and then after that we can cross multiply. If you do it that one, we will get a by quadratic formula. Don't do it like that. Here we can take the LCM. For this kind of question, we need to take the LCM. 1 by x minus 1 into x minus 2 plus 1 divided by x minus 2 into x minus 3, that is equal to 2 by 3. So here I'm going to take the LCM, x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. Here x minus 2 is repeating and it has same power. Therefore, that LCM will be x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. If the power was different, highest power will write it. Then when we compare these two denominator, this denominator and with this one, x minus 1 and x minus 2 is there, x minus 3 is missing term into the numerator, 1 into x minus 3 plus when we compare these two things, x minus 2 and x minus 3 is there, x minus 1 is missing, that is equal to x minus 1 equal to 2 by 3, that is equal to 2 by 3. That is equal to 2 by 3. Now we'll get a 2x minus 4 divided by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 is equal to 2 by 3. Now we can take 2 common from the numerator, 2 into x minus 2 divided by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 is equal to 2 by 3 Then 2 cancel, x minus 2 getting cancelled. So what is remaining here? So the remaining is x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 into x minus 3 is equal to 1 divided by 3 Then cross multiply, which is 3 is equal to x minus 1 into x minus 3. Now we can open the bracket, 3 is equal to x square minus 4x plus 3. Hope all of you know x plus a into x plus b. So middle term will be a plus b. Minus 1 plus minus 3 become minus 4x. Then positive 3 cancel, you'll get x square minus 4x is equal to 0. X into x minus 4. Here we can take x common out. Then product of two numbers is 0, which means either x is equal to 0 or x minus 4 is equal to 0. So our final answer is x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 4, or 0 comma 4 is our answer. Hope all of you understood this question. Now we can move to the next question. Our next question will be, find the value of p for which the quadratic equation px into x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0 has two equal real roots. Px into x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. We can open the bracket, px square minus 2px plus 6 is equal to 0. This quadratic equation has two equal real roots. So two equal real roots, what is the condition? Condition will be b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Why b square minus 4ac is equal to 0? Has two equal real root. Two equal real root, discriminant is equal to 0. Then b square will be minus 2p whole square minus 4 into p into 6 is equal to 0. 4 into p into 6 is equal to 0. So 4p square minus 24p is equal to 0. 24p is equal to 0. Then 4p we can take common out. That will get p minus 6 is equal to 0. P minus 6 is equal to 0. Either 4p is equal to 0 or p minus 6 is equal to 0. Now, if 4p is equal to 0, therefore, either p is equal to 0 or p is equal to positive 6. P is equal to 0 is not possible. Why? Because p is coefficient of x square. P is coefficient of x square. So in the quadratic equation chapter, we have studied the coefficient of x square cannot be 0. Therefore, p is equal to 0 is not possible. Is not possible. Therefore, the value of p is equal to 6 is our required value of p. Hope all of you understood this one. Now we can move to the next question. Our next question will be, find the value of p for which one root of the quadratic equation px square minus 14x plus 8 is equal to 0 is 6 times the other. So here they have given a quadratic equation px square minus 14x plus 8 is equal to 0. Then they have given that one root is 6 times the other. Therefore, the roots are alpha and 6 alpha. Now, we can use the sum of the root concept. So alpha plus 6 alpha, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, minus of minus 14 divided by p. 7 alpha is equal to 14 by p. Getting cancelled, alpha is equal to 2 by p. Alpha is equal to 2 by p. Now we'll take the product of the roots. What is product of the root? Alpha into 6 alpha. Alpha into 6 alpha is equal to c by a. That is equal to 8 by p. 8 divided by p. What is alpha value? 2 by p. 2 by p into 6 into 2 by p is equal to 8 by p. P cancel, then 2 into 2, 4, 4 and 8 getting cancelled, you will get 2 here. So 6 by p is equal to 2, therefore p is equal to 6 by 2, p is equal to 3. So here the value of p is 3. Hope all of you understood this question. Now we can move to the next question. The sum of the two numbers is 15. If the sum of their reciprocals is 3 by 10, find the two numbers. Find the two numbers. Here they have given that sum of these two numbers is 15 and their sum of the reciprocal is 3 by 10. If sum of two number is 15, one number is x, then the other number we can take it as 15 minus x. So let the numbers be, let the numbers be x and 15 minus x, x and 15 minus x. As per the question, sum of their reciprocals, that is 1 by x plus 1 by 15 minus x is equal to 3 by 10. That is equal to 3 by 10. Now we can cross multiply. When we cross multiply 15 minus x plus x is equal divided by x into 15 minus x. That is equal to 3 by 10. That is equal to 3 by 10. Now x cancelled. You will get it 15 divided by 15x minus x square is equal to 3 by 10. Now 3 and 15 cancel, you will get 5. So now again we can cross multiply 10 into 5, that is equal to 50. Then 1 into that will be 15x minus x square. Now we can shift this entire term into the left side. So then finally we will get x square minus 15x plus 50 is equal to 0. Now we can split this, okay, we can solve this quadratic equation by splitting the middle term method. How? X square minus 10x minus 5x. How we are getting 10 and 5? When we take the sum and product, sum is equal to 50 and product is equal to, sum is equal to 15. Sum is equal to 15. Sum is equal to negative 15, product is equal to 50. Therefore, the numbers are minus 10 and minus 5. Sum of the two number, that is minus 15, minus 10 and minus 5, and product is equal to positive 50. Then plus 50 is equal to 0. Now we can take x common out. X into x minus 10 minus 5 into x minus 10 is equal to 0. Now we can take x minus 10 common out. X minus 10 into x minus 5 is equal to 0. That means x minus 10 is equal to 0 or x minus 5 is equal to 0. That is x is equal to 10 and x is equal to 5. We can check separately. When x is 10, what will be the other number? 15 minus x. That is 15 minus 10. That is equal to 10. That is equal to 5. So here first one is when x is equal to 10. When x is equal to 10, 15 minus x, that is equal to 15 minus 10, that is equal to 5. Second case when x is equal to 5, that will 15 minus x is equal to 15 minus 5, that is equal to 10. So here we are getting the same numbers. Therefore the required numbers are the required numbers are 5 and 10. 5 and 10. Hope all of you understood this question. Now we can move to the next question. Our next question is, if alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation, x square minus 7x plus 10 is equal to 0. Find a quadratic equation whose roots are alpha square and beta square. So we can use the same polynomial concept. For that one, first we can find alpha plus beta, that is minus b by a minus of minus 7 divided by 1, that is equal to 7. Now alpha beta is equal to c by a, which is equal to 10 divided by 1, that is equal to 10. That is equal to 10. Now we can find a new polynomial. How to find a new polynomial? K into x square minus sum of roots sum of the roots plus product of the roots. Now, what will be sum of the roots? That is equal to k into x square minus sum of the roots. So here roots are alpha square and beta square. That will be alpha square plus beta square into x plus, here into x will be a plus product of the roots alpha square beta square. Now, how to find alpha square plus beta square? That is equal to k into x square minus alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta into x plus alpha square alpha beta whole square, we can write it. Hope all of you understood. Now we can substitute the values. That is equal to k into x square minus alpha plus beta, that is equal to 7 square minus 2 into 10 into x plus alpha beta, that is 10 whole square. Now what is 7 square? 7 square is 49. 2 into 10, that is equal to 20. 49 minus 20, that is equal to 29. So finally you will get x square minus 29 plus 100, you will get it. So here you will get it, that is equal to k into x square minus 29x plus 100 is equal to 100. Now we can put k is equal to 1, put k is equal to 1. Therefore our required equation is x square minus 29x plus 100. Hope all of you understood this question. In the next session, we'll come with another very important short answer type question. So goodbye.